Hello, today's gonna be a bit of a shorter video because the video quality on the Italy video I was working on was sadly pretty bad. So now I have an indefinite war goal against Germany and against the Soviet Union. We'll continue this scenario. We'll finish that at some other point on stream, but today we're gonna play the Sultanate of Aussa and we're gonna try to go for a bit of a historical run. I really wanted to get this video out soon because the last video did amazing. I don't know what happened. Usually my videos would have about 40 views at this point, and this one's close to 40,000. I really appreciated all the nice comments and the feedback. If you want to give me more feedback, you can join the Discord. I never anticipated the video to do this well, and I never anticipated this many comments from Turkish people asking me if I know what the abbreviation stands for that I use for my channel name. And I just wanted to thank you for 100 subs, I suppose. I was thinking like do a 100 sub special if the time comes, right? And then I jumped from 70 subscribers to 350 in under a week. And that was pretty fun. Let's get back to the actual game now. Oh, an ultimatum from Italy. The Italians have requested that we place the entire state under their control for use as a staging area in their war against Ethiopia. Accepting will effectively end the independent Sultanate of Aussa, but refusing will surely mean an invasion. And because we wanted to do this a bit historical, I will pick there is no point in resisting, and we submit. Alright, so it's been another fun video. Have a great day.